Welcome everyone, welcome on board. We are just waiting for the news. Trump's speech in 18 minutes. And yeah, I stuck to my word. I told you guys there would be a stream right before Trump speaks, and we're now live. So someone said how many hours till USA news? There's only 18 minutes to go. Let's see what happens. Today I lost 1.7k gold on buy. I was waiting a few days without any luck. I feel so depressed. To be honest, you should ask yourself why you took that trade and what made you take that trade. You lost 1.7k. Why did you enter trades? Especially when I told you guys not to enter any gold trades today. So yeah, ask yourself why you took that trade, and also why you lost that much. Because when you're trading, you should only be able to trade when you can afford to lose the capital that you're trading with. So whether you're trading 10k, 20k, 5k, 2k, you should be asking yourself, number one, am I comfortable with losing this capital? And when you deposit with your broker, imagine that your capital is already gone, right? You have to come with that mindset, and you have to have other capital to live with. Otherwise, I've seen so many people trade with the only thing that they have with their savings, and it's just not, it's not wise. So yeah, we're gonna go check out a few pairs. Currently, I'm looking at pound Swiss buys. Okay, however, I want pound Swiss to drop to. Let me go on the 1 hour rather than zooming out. So here's where I want. So I'll just mark it. Here's where I want pound Swiss to go, or right here, preferably at the bottom blue. But if it gets to this blue and it stalls, we might place our buy entries. So let me just highlight that first. Entry. Actually, let me rename it to possible first entry. And this, another entry that I'm looking at is over here. Another possible entry. So depending on how it moves, if pound Swiss just drops all the way down quickly to the bottom blue, then I'm going to enter there. If it drops to the first blue right here and it stalls, then I might place my buy entries for 30 pips gain. So let's see how it deals with that. We need it to drop, and our take profit would be 1.27687, and potential entry would be 1.27387. Let's see. Let me answer some of your questions. We have a promoter on the group, so let me ban him. What about your gold trades? We're not in any gold trade. Trading gold now is just not ideal at all, and my system is not showing me any potential setups that I can take by following my strategy. So me placing a gold trade would just be me gambling and not trading my system. So also, just to let you know, gold, see, if you have a look, it came all the way down, but now it's starting to pull up slightly. If you have a look, it's starting to go up, and it's possibly looking like it could close on that 1456 level. It's already going up. Let's go on 1 minute. If you have a look, it's already gone up 80 pips. So could this be gold trying to close above 1456? Who knows? Um, I, I have USD pairs currently running. Should I close before news? 100% yes. Regardless of how sure you are, I would suggest you close. And you never know, nothing might happen. You know, sometimes price just moves for 10 pips and that's it. But in this case, with Trump speaking, I would definitely not risk trading USD pairs. Are you calling trades on here? Yep, I am. I'm waiting for pound Swiss to drop to this level. And then we're gonna buy it live. So let's see. Currently running 4 long positions on Euro USD. So yes, I believe it's a buy. But I would like to know what Dini thinks about it. Euro USD, I could have a look. First of all, let me know your levels, your take profit level, your entry, your stop loss, and I can check it out for you. Let's go look at pound JPY. Pound JPY still struggling to break that resistance zone. Let's see how it deals with that. Pound USD already starting to push up slightly. Going to go on the 1 minute time frame for USD pairs just so we can see the moves during news. And yeah, anything can happen. Gold could drop, it can go up. There's no promises as to what will happen, but best thing to do is just to stay out. We have 11 minutes to go till Trump speaks. Make sure to hit the like button. Let's get at least 100 likes on this stream. There's 200 of you guys watching, so I'm sure we can get that easily. Jonathan, did you buy or sell? Because by the way you're spamming the group chat, I can tell that you're on a trade, so let me know. And also don't be spamming the group chat, please. Let me know what you did, because I can tell that you took a trade. Euro USD down. Look at Euro USD. Yeah, first of all, tell me the levels. Shadow, I'm waiting for you to tell me the levels. So take profit, entry, and stop loss. We have 10 minutes to go. Make sure to hit the like button. And let's try get to 100 likes. Okay, so many of you guys are asking for Euro USD, so let's do that. I don't usually trade Euro USD, but I can do that for you guys. Let me use my template. There we go. So are you guys selling it or buying it? Let me know in the chat below whether you're buying or you're selling. I'm guessing you guys are selling, but just let me know. Buy. Okay, so many of you guys are buying Euro USD. Big up Dini for that 114 pips yesterday. No problem. Okay, so buy. Good. And let's start off by going on the daily time frame, and let's quickly analyze this pair before news comes out. So Straight away I see this, and by the way, what I do right now is not final. I like to adjust, so it's going to be adjusted. Boom. Let me see about this. So what happened? It was in that trend line, broke out towards the downside. Now let's mark currently where it's at, simply because of that 3 candle formation consolidation. 1, 2, 3, showing a potential area of support. Let's look to the left. Support, resistance, support, support, support. So it's on support right now. That's why I'm guessing most of you guys are saying buy. Let's have a look more in detail. So going to mark this level right here. Check out the space in between, 150 pips. Okay. Potential room for it to move up a few pips. Let me get rid of this line. Go back to the daily. Yeah, so the only thing I see currently is that it's on support, right? It's on support, very good support level on the daily. So not the hourly, but on the daily. We have that three candle consolidation showing an area of strength, area of potential buys. So I'm guessing that's why you guys are saying it's a buy. However, you know, I think there's more to it than just, you know, support and resistance, and there needs to be more detail as to why you guys are buying, because I follow my system. I have a system, lower time frame systems, and for me to look at this and tell you it's a buy based on support is just, you know, not wise at all. That's gambling. So I can't tell you guys it's a buy. However, it's on support. Let's see, is it going to break below? If it does break below, then it's going to head lower, maybe to this level here, and then finally to this level or even below that. If it holds and the new candle in 3 hours and 4 minutes opens up, goes above this previous level here, then it's going to continue up maybe to the next resistance. But I would need to know, are you guys buying it for short-term gains, long-term gains, and so on? Let me know your targets. And we have 5 minutes to go for the Trump speech. Okay, so Shadow gave the entry. So he said 1.111089. Okay, let's get that in. Yeah, so just let me use this 11089. Shadow, your levels seem to be, you've sent so many levels, so please try to simplify it by 1 entry, 1 take profit, 1 stop loss, and let me know if you're buying or selling. But yeah, I don't want to miss out on this gold move. I'm just gonna see what's gonna happen. We have 4 minutes to go. Also looking at pound Swiss buys, if it can move down. If pound Swiss hits this black area right here, then we wouldn't enter any trades. So let's see. The first trade was open for a while. I'm buying. Let me send you the trades. So I'm guessing you're on a drawdown, Shadow. We have 3 minutes to go for the Trump speech. Are you looking at gold for the news? Yeah, I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm not taking any trades, except potentially pound Swiss, but I'm not taking gold trades. Shadow, let me know. Remind me after Trump speaks to check out Euro USD for you. But for now, I'm just gonna keep an eye on gold. What lot size would you use for a 250 balance? Best recommendation is 0.01 for every $100. So, yeah. So for yours would be 0.02 maximum. I think we have someone giving signals in the chat below, so I'm gonna remove you, Jensa, if you do post it again, but I'll give you another chance. So yeah. Why pound pairs? It's USD news. I was looking at pound pairs for other setups, not in regards to this Trump speech. Trump's speech won't cause any major moves, maybe short-term USD moves up. Yeah, news doesn't guarantee massive volatility. We're just looking to see what happens. Nothing could happen. I've seen news events that don't make the market move even, 5-7 pips. So it depends. It might move, but my guess is this is definitely going to move a few pips at least. And also the market needs some sort of a move. So either today or tomorrow, but most likely today. So let's see. We have 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so usually takes a bit. It's not straight away because the speech starts, sometimes it starts a bit late, but let's see. Bear in mind, this is not NFP where data comes out, it goes up and down straight. This is speech, so imagine that he's speaking right now. That's what's going on. Let's see if I can find a stream on YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, so he's still not speaking at the moment. He's about to speak. Yeah. So let's give it a few seconds for him to come up to the stage and start speaking. Meanwhile, let's check pound Swiss. Okay, pound Swiss is now an invalid trade. So let me get rid of our entries simply because our rules were not met. So let's get rid of all of this. And we're out. We're not taking pound Swiss trades. He's about to come up to the stage any minute now. He's speaking in New York, by the way. Someone said, do we need to sell Nope, you don't need to do anything right now. You just need to see what will happen, and that's it. We're just seeing what will happen, and if a setup forms from that, then maybe. If it doesn't, then we're just gonna watch and see. You don't have to take a trade every day. Is it what he says that moves the market, or is it him making a speech? I think it's both. For a political leader to come up to the stage, and bear in mind, he already gives out the topic of mind, the topic of the speech to the news. So the topic for this one is state of economy. So people and investors are already going to start taking action by closing positions, doing this and that. So there will be an effect even by him coming up to the stage, right? So it doesn't matter whether he talks or not. If he comes to the stage, there's going to be reaction, and even more if he talks about something that affects the market. Yeah, I think it's a bit of both. Let me have a look once more if he's on the stage. Not yet. But yeah, this is definitely going to move the markets. Just wait and see. As soon as he starts talking, gold is going to move either up or down, depending on where the market wants to go. Do yourself a favor, close all trades, especially USD pairs, and just watch. Someone said, Beleri, just make sure you're watching this stream on 1080p and it should be HD. All we're doing now is just we're analyzing and we're just seeing the effect of the Trump speech. We're not in any trades, and we haven't taken any trades since yesterday's 100 pip trade that hit take profit. So we're good. We don't need to stress about taking trades. Pound CAD is moving up. Someone said, are you going to show us the stream? I'm not sure what you mean by that. So he hasn't spoken yet. That's what I mean by sometimes, when you see these events happening, it doesn't happen straight away. It takes a bit of time. What time is Trump's speech? I think it could be the next 3 minutes, possibly. Give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can bring up this stream on my stream, so just give me a second. Gonna try and bring this Trump speech on my stream, so yeah. Let me try and do that for you guys. Okay, let me try and bring it up. Give me a second, everyone. There we go. You should be able to see it. He's already in the building, so let me know if you guys see it properly. I don't want to turn on the volume because, you know, there's just reporters talking, so not going to do that. Pretty boring. Okay, so he's about to speak now. Have a look. I just put this thing so you guys can see it side by side, how he talks and how price moves after he says a few things. So just have a look. This candle has already opened up, bigger than before. So let's see. Let me try and, you know, put the volume on. 1 second. Do you advise to close all USD pairs? Yep. Can you make that bigger, please? Okay, let me try and do that. There we go. Let me try one more thing. So give me a second, everyone. Nope, it's not working. So I'll just leave it like that. Gold is already moving. Usually what I've noticed is halfway to the end of the speech is when price moves like crazy. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. Usually he's going to introduce the topic of conversation, and then he's going to talk for a bit, then he's going to get more aggressive with his speech. So I don't expect the price to move right away unless he says something crazy. Do you know how long the speech will be? Not sure, haven't checked. Let's see. How do you get that ticker in your top right corner? It's an indicator. I just found it online, so you would have to do some research. Let's see if we can get subtitles on this. There we go, we can get subtitles in there. I'll make it bigger for you guys. That should be enough. Are you going to put any trades based on the speech? No, I'm not. We're just observing, that's the only thing we're doing. How did you know there was a speech? By using forexfactory.com. Whilst we do that, let's check out other pairs. Let's check on pound JPY. It's already moving up. Pound JPY is moving up. Pound USD moving up. Pound Swiss, nothing much. Pound AUD, nothing much. Pound CAD, nothing there. I think gold's going to go up to 14.55, then may crash. And why do you think that? How do I stream the news? Just type in Trump live on YouTube and you should find it. Yeah, the chat on that stream is crazy. people saying buy gold, sell gold. Yeah, crazy. What time do you trade? Usually during London session. I just made this stream so we can analyze potential setups, and maybe even if we found a setup, we could have taken it together live. However, there's no setup to take right now, and that's just how the market is at the moment. How did you learn how to trade? I took information from everywhere and I made it my own. I think, like I said before, that gold could go up to 1468 or maybe even 1482 or 1492 and then come down. That's likely to happen. Or if it doesn't close on this line, then gold is just going to drop and carry on dropping. And the overall aim long term is for gold to go to 1410, which is 430 pips away. Crazy target, I know, but yeah, that's just the aim for gold. And I made this prediction right over here when it was at 1552. So yeah. What app do you use in order to know the currency's strength and weakness? I don't use any apps that tell me the strength of a currency. I think the RSI is enough for that. How long did it take you to be where you are today? 3 years? Let's check on Trump. Pound USD just stopped me out. And why did he take Pound USD trade? Let's check on Pound USD. Yep, Pound moving higher in between support and resistance. Just give me a second, just sorting out this one thing. Okay, so oops, I deleted the wrong message by mistake. Let me remove this message. Okay, so someone said 1456, then it could go to 1459. Yeah, let's see what happens. But right now it looks like a buy, potential buy. But until it proves itself, nothing is certain. Background music, it's a Spanish, I think piano thing. So just type it on YouTube. It's this non-copyright one. It's 3 hours long. So yeah. So is gold going long? I keep getting that, and all I'm going to say to that is gold looks like it's going to go long, but it's not a signal. I'm not telling you to buy. How do you deal with sideways market or consolidation? Sometimes I get trades, or sometimes my strategy gives me trades that works on consolidate when the market is consolidating. So it doesn't matter if it's consolidating or not, but most of the times if I don't find a trade whilst the market is moving sideways, then I don't trade at all. Make sure to hit the like button. Let's try and get to 200 likes on this stream. How do you know where to put your support and resistance? It just comes with experience. The more you do it, the more you spot lines, the more you spot zones, the more quickly you can identify them. And also the best way to identify support and resistance is by simply looking to the left. But yeah, if you guys want me to make a video on that, how to make the proper, how to draw proper support and resistance levels, let me know, and I'll definitely make that. Do you think gold will pass 1470 in a couple of hours? Right now I can't predict anything, and I don't want to predict anything. Let's see what happens. And I don't understand what the rush is. Most of you guys are rushing this whole trading thing. No wonder people, like, there's this number, I think 90%, 95% of traders quit trading within the first year, and I kind of agree with that now. I see a lot of people that are so hesitant to press buy or sell. Like, you don't need to be trading every time, and the reason why you trade is for freedom. So if you're not if you're not, if you're not enjoying that freedom, so like why trade, I think the only question you guys should be asking is my system showing me a setup? That's it. That's the only question. It's not about what I think, what you think, what everyone else thinks. It's about what your system is showing you and if you're following it or not. Let me know if anyone's giving signals in a chat so I can ban them. But yeah, let me know where you guys from. I definitely want to know where you guys are from and also how you guys came across my page, like my channel or this stream. If it's your first time, let me know. Yorkshire, Paris, South Africa, Germany, Kenya, Pakistan, Alabama, Ethiopia, California, London, Somalia, Hungary, Turkish, Atlanta, Estonia, California, Indonesia, Dublin, Ireland. Found you on YouTube, then Instagram, then followed you on Telegram. Cool. I saw your video of day trader. That's cool. USA, Sweden, Somalia, Kenya, London, East London, China, Netherlands, Turkey. Your videos make the most sense and the most clear out of all YouTubers. I appreciate that, and I try to, I don't make, if you look at my channel, I don't make videos every week or every other day, simply because when I get an idea, if I get an idea that will help a lot of people, then I spend time scripting it out and I try to give as much value, and also I simplify it. That's my mission. I want to simplify Forex trading, and I don't want to be that trader with 1,000 indicators on their screens with 10 monitors, right? I just want to keep it very simple. Yeah, Netherlands, New York, Italy, Malaysia, Switzerland. I found you randomly. Minnesota, okay. Albania, Atlanta, Coventry, Bali. I actually want to go to Bali, hopefully by the end of this year. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Sweden. If you guys are from Bali, let me know. Definitely let me know so I can possibly meet some of you guys when I'm there. Maybe have a meetup or something. How much do you charge for your signals? Just click the link below. You would find everything you would need. The reason why I watch mainly you as a trader, because you share almost everything you do with trading, basically with almost no secrets. I appreciate that, and I try as much as possible. The only thing that I hide from you guys is the 20% strategy, which obviously I cannot share with you guys because it's only for VIP members, and everything else I just try to share as much as possible. Bali. You were in my recommendations. Kenya. Cool. It's nice to know that most of you guys are around the world. Very interesting. Someone said, how do you set a rule? How do you set a solid rule for trading? By grabbing your notebook and finding, number one, a pattern in the market. I think, if I was to explain this, it's going to take some time, but usually it starts off with you finding a pattern, then you finding the risk management for that pattern, then you picturing what that pattern and setup would look like, and also backtesting. So that's only a few things that you would look out for. How to join the VIP? Click the link below and join, or just Telegram message me or Instagram message me, and I'll definitely help you. What I want to do now, I keep getting messages on how to join, what the prices are, how to join, what the prices are, and issues like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a brand new website, and it's going to have like all of these things, or maybe I'm going to edit the website I already have, and it's going to help you with, how to sign up, and also, information that you need. Just to make it simpler, just to simplify the whole sign up process. I'm from Earth, okay. Where are you from? I'm from the UK. Okay, so let's check on that Trump speech. He's still talking. So nothing could happen, or something might happen right at the end. Who knows? Because price on the lower time frame, as you can see, is already consolidating. Yeah, Jerry, I might do that. Menzies, so consolidation basically means when price moves sideways. So price only moves in three ways: up, down, and sideways. And consolidation is another word, like it's like saying sideways movement. So yeah. Can you make your costs a reasonable amount, so that everyone can access it? To be honest, if you have a look at most of the groups out there, what they offer and how much they charge, and compare it with me, you would understand, number one, that what I offer is definitely very, very underpriced. And I did that on purpose, simply because that's when I first started trading, everyone was charging 10,000, 20,000, right? For not even something that's even worth it, right? You would learn support and resistance for 20k. So my mission was to make it affordable, but also make it realistic, so that I can get the right people to join my services. So yeah, it's definitely worth it if you compare what you're getting with my services and other companies. So yeah, and I might look to increase the price. Actually, it's been at this price for almost over a year now, so I definitely want to increase it, because I only want to attract the right traders. I think with cheap services, you tend to attract traders that are in it for the short term, and I don't want that personally. Do you teach your strategy? Yes, I do. That's what I think that's the main thing that differentiates me with everyone else. Everyone else teaches you support and resistance, trendline, all of that information that you already know and can find for free. But what they don't teach you is their strategy. And if they teach you their strategy, I guarantee you it's something that they don't probably use all the time, or it's something so advanced that you don't even want to try and trade that. So that's what makes me different. Yeah, this news is definitely boring. Expected a bit more from this. But then again, it's 6 p.m., nearly 6 p.m. So price usually tends to slow down during this time. I appreciate that, Sammy. I'm from the Maldives. Cool. Anyone caught promoting companies or services will get banned. So, yeah, just a warning. The monthly $60 members can access the 20% strategy. Yes. You didn't tell us how you lost 1.7k today. I didn't trade at all today, so I'm not sure where you're getting that information. I think you might be confusing it with someone on the chat. Pound New Zealand, nothing going on with Pound New Zealand, so we're just gonna avoid that. Do you give signals? Yes, I do. Pound New Zealand's going up. Not sure. If you have a look at Pound New Zealand, it's also on that weekly resistance line, so it's gonna have a strong amount of pressure to go towards the downside unless it can break above that and head higher. My guess is within the coming days it's going to break it and head higher. Is there any date set for the online masterclass? So it's definitely during the middle of this month. I'm going to announce with the poster and everything, the price, the dates and everything. And also it's not going to be available for everyone, just so you know. It's going to be just like a proper class, maximum 20, maybe 30. And during the class there'll be a few rules. And yeah, so I'm gonna announce that as soon as possible. And also, if you're in London, make sure you come to the London class. There will be a 3-day class as well. Is the class free? Definitely not. By the way, gold is slightly moving now. But yeah, the class is definitely not free, simply because it's a 3-day masterclass, which means you're going to learn every single thing that I know and have learned in 3 years. And also, on top of that, just to go above and beyond, we're going to apply our knowledge on the last day to make sure what I'm saying isn't just talk. I know a lot of teachers out there just, talk, but they don't prove it with actual, practicality. So you're going to practice what I teach you, and if you don't make profit or if you don't make progress with my strategy, then I'll be shocked personally. Let's see, someone else said. Someone said, I'm not sure, John, why you're talking about the bad trade 1.7k or something. Yeah, I think someone on the group chat posted something, so I was just talking about that. I appreciate that, Jeremiah. If you're from London, I need you to put 5 on the chat. I just want to see how many of you guys are from London. So just put 5 on the chat if you're from London. Interesting. So a lot of you guys are from London, so that's good. But yeah, I don't want to bore any of you guys. I think there's nothing going on. Something might happen right after he ends his speech. However, even then, I don't think I'm going to be taking any trades for today. Tomorrow, we're going to be back with another live stream, 11 a.m. hopefully, and hopefully there's going to be a trade taken live. If not, then that's just what it is. But like I said, during the end of this year, we're going to be taking less and less trades, simply because it's going to be Christmas, then New Year's, and the price usually during that time slows down. So I don't want to be taking trades for the sake of it. Put me down for the online masterclass. Definitely message me for that. Can I get an answer for my email? Definitely going to try. Yeah, the amount of emails that I have gotten is just crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna be sorting it out. I need to work on a few things. So yeah. Someone said try take gold tonight. Definitely not. Are you trading today? Nope. I'm just analyzing, that's it. So yeah, done with all the questions. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, even though we haven't spoke about much. We were just checking out the Trump speech and everything, and I did promise you guys I would be on here, so I tried to come on. And bear in mind, it's only Tuesday, so we took a trade yesterday, and today's Tuesday, so the week has only just begun. We're roughly halfway, close to halfway during the week, so we shouldn't be stressing to take trades. All you need is one or two or maybe even three good trades and you're good. You don't need to be taking 5 trades a day, losing 4, winning 1, and still losing out. No point doing that when you could sit down, focus, and just take 2 trades, 3 trades in a week, and all of them being winners, or maybe just one being a loser. Since your strategy you use big time frames first, does that mean you take only a few trades a week? Nope. I don't think you guys understand. Our strategy is based on the 1 minute, but we analyze on the higher time frames. So that means we could take advantage of more signals, but just double checking and checking on the higher time frames before taking that smaller time frame move. So we're not swing traders, we're definitely scalpers. But yeah, stop taking so many trades and stop gambling. I think Trump is not done with his speech yet. But yeah, thank you all for joining this stream. I'm probably gonna close the charts now, and I think that's enough with the charts. I've seen too many candlesticks for today, so going to close it, get some rest, come back tomorrow. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. I posted some stories today about just trying to remain patient when trading, so make sure you check out my story. Yeah, make sure you follow my Instagram. Links in the below, links in the description. It should be in the last part of the description, so you need to scroll down all the way. Yeah, thank you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think gold's starting to move now. Let's just give it a few seconds. It's funny how it moves as soon as we're about to end the stream. Not bad. Let me just double check the candlestick. 22 pips. Instagram is in the description below. But yeah, no need to look at the charts because tomorrow morning we will see what happened and if it's playing out according to our analysis. But yeah, thank you all. Have a great day, and please don't be taking trades randomly. Peace.